post time, approaching the gate. They're at the post. Now they're moving into the gate. Open range.
One love, one dream, one vision, one goal, and one successful business. Shawn Washington is a son, father, and husband, but he is also the owner of Unique Horse Farm Tours. It was once said that when work is a pleasure, life is a joy. I believe it is safe to say that if you know Shawn, he truly has a deep passion for his job. Shawn runs his business 7 days a week at 9:15, 12:15, and 3:15, all by himself, out of the Kentucky Horse Park. No trip is the same, hence the name Unique Horse Farm Tours. Shawn gives tourists an opportunity to choose which farms and places they like to visit instead of going on a routine route. These may include Katy Rich Farm, Shadwell Farm, Keeneland, Wallace Station, etc. He takes a lot of time out to do what he loves and to make others happy. I actually got to sit down and interview Shawn himself, and here's what he had to say. When did you start your business and why?
I started my business in 2002, and the reason why I started my business, I always want to work for myself. Actually, I started in a Suburban, and then I'm in a 25 passenger bus. Do 3 tours a day, 7 days a week.
What do you like most about your job?
I like most about my job. I like going to see the horses every day. I love being around different people every day from all over the world. And I just like going out in the countryside and visiting with the horses.
Do you dislike anything about your job?
I don't dislike anything. Everything about my job I absolutely love. Um, just love it. Don't dislike nothing.
What is your favorite stop to make when on a tour?
I love Katy Rich Farm. Love to go see the babies, but my favorite stop is probably Wallace Station's Bakery. I discovered that bakery 30 pounds ago. I love going to the bakery at Wallace Station. It's probably my favorite stop.
Who's the most famous or memorable people you have taken on your tour?
I've taken the president and CEO of ExxonMobil. I've taken John Havlicek, who used to play for the Boston Celtics. But my favorite was probably Archie Griffin of the Ohio State Buckeyes. I would say Archie Griffin's probably my favorite person that I've ever taken out on a tour. And believe it or not, Donald Trump's niece was nice. So I took Trump's niece out, and she was very nice. So she was a good person too.
If you could add anything to your tour, what would it be?
It would be to add one more tour, make it from 3 a day to 4 a day. That's about the only thing I could add to make it better.
How long do you think you'll be doing tours?
Well, I've been doing it for 15 years. I'll probably do tours I like to get another 10 years in. But I'll work until the end. I'll work until I can't go anymore. So I would say another 10 or 12 years, and then I'll probably call it quits. Or back up to 1 a day.
Now that we have had a chance to get to know the owner, Shawn Washington, a little bit more, we can take a closer look into some of the stops that are made while on a tour. Katy Ridge Farm, Shadwell, Keeneland, and Wallace Station. When on a tour with Shawn Washington, Katy Ridge Farm is one of the stops that you may go on. Katy Ridge Farm is located in Midway, Kentucky. It is owned by Larry Dow. This farm's name is special because it's named after the owner's kids. This farm takes $250,000 a month to keep going. It is also 356 acres and it is home to 92 horses. Another stop you may take when on a tour is Shadwell Farm. Shadwell Farm is owned by the Otis Dubai brothers. This farm's landscape is a sight to see. It took $22 million to complete this landscaping. The horse plain holds 100 horses and it takes $40,000 to train one racehorse at this farm, and they have 392 in training. Keeneland is located in the Bluegrass region of central Kentucky. It is one of the top horse lover attractions. It hosts 2 world-class race meets and 4 global horse sales. Keeneland is a fun environment and is a great place to relax or mingle on a weekend while betting on horses or even just watching the races. Shawn sometimes brings tours here to experience this beautiful place. As you may remember, Shawn Washington says he loves Wallace Station, and it's because it may be the home to the best sandwiches in town. The most famous being the Kentucky Hot Brown Sandwich. On Monday nights, their fried chicken just might hit the spot. Followed by dinner, you can check out the amazing cheesecake brownies, corn on the cob cookies, or the to die for bourbon pecan pie. You may have seen Wallace Station on the famous show Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives on Food Network channel. Shawn's tours are not limited to the 4 places I had talked about. As you can see, Unique Horse Farm Tours was built on the true love of horses and the love for making others happy. So the next time you are in Lexington, Kentucky, take a very memorable tour by Shawn Washington. Tickets can be purchased in advance by calling 859-259-4225 or 800-678-8813 extension 4225 or on the day of your visit at the Visitor Information Center at the Kentucky Horse Park.